Hello, Kevin Caldwell here, Caldwell Tree Care. Here to talk about Cercospora and Cryptomeria. We have a Cryptomeria here, actually in front of my office, that is infected with Cercospora, which is going to require some sterile pruning to remove the infection, and then the spraying of a fungicide across the entire canopy of the tree to help prevent its spread. Cercospora is a relatively new phenomena that is affecting Cryptomeria, but it has been a disease that has been active in a lot of other evergreens for years. And by virtue of the amount of Cryptomeria that have been planted in Atlanta, it is a emerging disease, and it's really a result of the right set of climatic environmental conditions, and particularly is egregious and spreads a lot in heavily densely planted screens. So the remedy for this is sterile pruning, taking your pruning instruments, cleaning them in between cuts, removing the infection, and then a topical spray of typically a copper-based fungicide. And then from there, you may also want to remove some of the inner dead limbs on the inside of the Cryptomeria, which will allow for increased air circulation and drying of the canopy. This disease is particularly prevalent in areas where the canopy of the tree is allowed to stay wet for long periods of time, and the droplets will help spread the disease. So what we want to do is create an environment or a microclimate that is conducive to allowing a great air exchange. And oftentimes people relate evergreens as not needing maintenance, but we find that maintenance on Cryptomeria, once they get mature, about every 2 years you want to knock the dead limbs out of the inner side of the tree, and also look for these site-specific infections. So we're going to get after this. Here we are, arborists, and we have an infected tree right in front of our office. So we're going to get after this and prune that out and begin to reinvigorate the tree with some other soil applications as well.